Hey guys! Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I am going to show how to use Puppet Warp tool. I will move the upper part of the body to make it straight, and I will keep the lower part remain as it is. So, let's dive into the work. At first go to Select, and click Subject. Now the subject is selected. Now press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to make a copy of the layer. Make a copy of background layer with background. Make this background invisible as we don't need it anymore. Now select this layer and right-click on the thumbnail. Here, click Select Pixel. Make this layer invisible. Now select this layer and go to Select menu again. And for Modify, click on Expand. Set the value 10 or 12 depending on your needs and click OK. Now Form Edit menu, go to Fill. Click OK. The image now will be filled with background color. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Now select the top layer and make it visible again. Go to Edit menu again and select Puppet Warp. Here, we want to move the upper part of the body while keeping the lower part remain as it is. Click here to place a point from where we want to move the body. And place a point here. And now if we click and drag, we can see the lower part is also moving. So, we need to make points here to freeze this part. And now if we select and move, we can see the upper part is moving nicely. But still, the foot is moving. So, we need to use some more points here to make it freeze. Now move the upper part. We can see it move smoothly. If we want, we can rotate the neck a bit. Hold Alt key from the keyboard and rotate. Now press Enter. The body is straightened nicely. This is how we can move anything to any direction using Puppet Warp tool. There are many things we can do with this tool. Try it and practice for yourself. So guys, if you want me to make any video on any particular subject, just let me know in the comments below. I hope you liked this video, thank you and see you in the next video.